Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a Driver Train Sedan. This may not look like it, but look, the tracks. Doesn't make sense. How is it even out? Oh yeah, okay. Let's just. I have stop and go sign. I don't know why she's following me. Okay, we have a England train, and let's just spawn a train. Okay, guys, we just spawned a train. And I guess this is so. If we go too fast, I guess the train is gonna derail. So, like I know we're going high speed, and the train's gonna derail. Yeah, we're going high speed. Okay, what is happening here? Yeah, I got all of these things. Let me just drive this train. I think I went too fast. Okay, let's just spawn a train. Spawn a container train, and let's drive all the way. Again? Why though? Okay, let's just spawn again. Okay, guys, we're back at spawn. Hopefully this works. We're gonna spawn an airline train. We're gonna drive it. What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, hopefully this train doesn't do it, because if it does, I will pause the video. Sorry for saying that. Whatever. Okay, I think I'm about to derail right here, because this wagon is not doing what it's supposed to do. We derailed. Congratulations. It's my screen recording thing on my tablet. It's 10. I'm gonna stop it. Whatever the time of it I want it to be. Okay, let's go. Too fast. Looks kind of stupid on the front though. Doesn't really look sick. It's a train behind us. We're dead. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. Okay, let's move this. Okay, let's just do this. We're gonna drive this train here. This train killing cargo. And then we're gonna pass it through. What was going on there? Doesn't even make sense. Wait, what the? Oh, what the heck was that? Why did we get flung? What? What? 600, what was that? I never noticed that. What was that? I want to get a video out of this, but I just never. Whee! Okay, slow down. Okay, never mind. We're hanging upside down. Okay, that's kind of weird. Why are we on toy train tracks? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. But let's spawn another train below. Okay, let's get this underground. Let's get to the England subway train. Subway transport. Hopefully no one spawns anything. This train's actually really long. You serious? No, whatever. I can still drive the train now. Whoa. Help me. For some reason I do not know what's going on here. Let's just go here. Oh. I thought we were starting in the same place. So there we go. You serious? There we go. Why is it? Oh no. There we go. That's a death. I put some text on the screen. Hold up. Yay! And then we'll do that. Okay, not do that. Let's just hi, GeoPro. What's this? Okay, let's just get the underground thing. I don't care, bro. Why is there a sleigh? It's not even Christmas. Oh, Christmas is on December this year. I can't wait. Are you serious right now, bro? What are you even doing? Watch this. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Okay, what are we even drawing on the screen? Oh, get off my stuff. Look at this. Look at this. No train, okay? Oh, we shouldn't have done that. Okay, stop sign will be the control. Just kidding, move sleigh. There's a sleigh on the tracks. It makes sense. Oh, I shouldn't have gone on that train. Maybe not. Whoever was that, I don't like you. You drive. You drive. Maybe I can drive. Yay. Hooray! I don't think we can get up the steep hill. Watch out! Oh, I think we're dead now. I want to end the video to see how cool it is. Okay, I'll put the one with text, okay, well. So, that's how you do it. Okay. Below crankshaft, let's get the old thing. The fun fact is, it cannot derail when it's, okay, move. Oh, there we go. You know you can drive now. Oh. Whoa. That was a flip. Wow. Oh, I can move it. I can move my finger around. If you don't see it, because yes, it's like a screen recording. I'm screen recording on this tablet right now. So that's the end for today. I hope you have a nice day and make sure to do what this text says. And I want you to let's just draw some grass here. And I want you to have a nice day. Peace out. Bye. Actually, bye. Oh, I haven't ended the video yet. Okay, sorry. Actually, we're not gonna end the video there. Once recording is 10, we're gonna do that. Okay. Sorry, that was a fake video end. I'm very sorry for that. I'm very sorry for the fake video end. Take that, bro. You deserve this. That's how a pro does it. Oh, there we go. I did not realize my wheels are not having the way it's supposed to be. Whoa. It makes sense. Okay, actually, I will end the video right here. Okay, guys, make sure you have a nice day with this train. I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna switch into another game. Bye. Okay, guys, I want to wish you guys a good day, and we'll play Brookhaven next. I promise. Well, I'm not gonna upload the video, and okay, I promise, bro. We're gonna play this game We'll play this game. We're gonna play this game here. Right here. Okay, bye.